In this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract or cut out a shape from another shape in Adobe Illustrator. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a star shape that's cut out of a circle. To do this, the main tool we're going to use is the shape tool on your left toolbar. I'm going to right click on this if I don't see that ellipse tool circle option, and that will bring out this flyout menu. So from here, we can go ahead and select that ellipse tool. I want the color of my shape to be blue, so I'm going to go ahead and select my foreground color. Then I'll select a blue from my color palette. You can also get to this by clicking directly on that foreground color. And then for the outline, I actually don't want this to have an outline at all. So I'm going to click on that stroke color and select none. I have this ellipse tool selected, but I want a perfect circle. So I am going to hold down Shift while I click and drag, and this will create a perfect circle for us. I then want to align my circle to the center of the artboard. You can do this with the menu at the top, or if you don't see these options, you can click Window, Align, and this will bring out the alignment toolbar right here. So I'm going to go ahead and center this both vertically and horizontally. And then on top of this circle, we can create the shape that we want to cut out from it. So again, I'm going to right click on that shape tool, and this time I'm going to select the star tool. Again, I'm going to hold down Shift and drag to create this star shape. Now I want you to be able to see this for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and make this star yellow. And again, we're going to center this on our canvas. So we will center it both vertically and horizontally. Now we're going to go back to our selection tool. Our star is already selected, so I can hold down Shift and select our circle. Now we want to bring up the Properties menu. So we're going to go to Window, Properties. Towards the bottom, you will see this Pathfinder section. And here we are going to click on the second option, which is the minus front. So that star that we created is technically in front of the circle. That's why we can see it. So when we select this option, it's going to cut out that star shape from our circle. And this is now all one compound shape. If you are using an older version of Adobe Illustrator and you don't see this Pathfinder section underneath Properties, what you're going to do is go up to Window and specifically go to the Pathfinder option. This is going to bring up the exact same options that you had for the other ones, and it's going to be right here, that minus front option. This is going to do exactly the same thing, so you can get to it both ways. And that is how you subtract or cut out a shape from another shape in Adobe Illustrator. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials.